Welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how you can perform a Bhapkar test using a little program called the MH program, which was created by John Ubersax and is available for free for download. It's a very small program on this website. If you can't read it, I'll put the link in the description below. Once you've downloaded and extracted the zip file that the program comes in, you should have a little file called mhexe. But before we go there, you need the data, which in this case I called example.txt, and you need to have in there the title on the first line, the number of categories, the two names for the two variables, nom or ord for whether or not it's nominal or ordinal, and then the data itself excluding totals, and make sure you press enter after each line. That's quite important. Once you have the text file, it's easiest to simply put it in the same place as where the exe file is. Then you can double click on the exe file and it should actually then show up. It asks for the name of the input file, which in my case is example.txt, and then it asks for the name of an output file, so let's use out.txt. Press enter. Depending on how big the data set is, with a maximum of 50, by the way, 50 rows, 50 columns. Press enter to continue. It probably goes pretty fast. And now I have this out.txt file, and as you can see, it nicely reports lots of information. And most importantly, what we're after for this video is the Bhapkar chi-squared, which has a value of 15.423, degrees of freedom is 2, and perhaps the most important figure here is the p-value, the significance, which is 0.0004, which means that there are significant, if you're using a 0.05 significance level, between the row totals and the column totals. Now there's a McNemar post-hoc test being performed, which as you can see is Bonferroni adjusted, and if we look at the before and after totals for the first category, that seems to be significant, and also for the third category the before and after is significantly different. For the second category it's not.